everybody! I'm here today to tell you how to tell if a car has a broken exhaust. Having a broken exhaust isn't really a good thing, but it's easily repairable and easily replaceable. And they're not even that expensive. And when you replace your broken exhaust, you can even put on an upgraded exhaust if that's what you want, right? So it's something to consider. But here's how to tell if your exhaust is broken. On this car, I actually had a broken exhaust not too long ago, and I made a video showing you what it sounded like, giving you an example, and then I even made a separate video showing you the broken piece of exhaust pipe. But these are the factors that will tell you that you have a broken exhaust. Number one, noisy. Now you see your exhaust section, the piping of it, has things that muffle the sound and quiet down the sound. When you have a broken exhaust, you're likely to have a more noisy car because those mufflers and those things that muffle it down, the resonators and stuff like that, they are no longer doing their full job. So because you have exhaust leaking out from before them, so you get a much louder sound. If you all of a sudden hear your car sounding like vroom, 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 then that means that you likely have an exhaust break or leak somewhere. Number two, decreased power and acceleration. So your exhaust plays a big role in the pressure that the car lets out, and the engine is perfectly balanced to have a complete working exhaust. When you have a broken exhaust or a leaking exhaust, that throws off that balance, and you're going to get less power and acceleration. It might not be completely noticeable to, like, you know, someone who drives the car once in a while, but if you're driving your car every day, you will notice that you get a little bit of a droning with the acceleration. Number three, worsened fuel economy. Now, not only will you have less acceleration, but your fuel economy is going to be worse. So if you notice that your car's burning more gas, it's because that engine balance is thrown off. And there's all the technicalities of it, but I'm just giving you the basics of it. What you need to do is consider the fact that if you hear a loud noise and you have worsened fuel economy, definitely you might have a broken exhaust, okay? Number four, a sound coming from somewhere other than the back of the car. Now, even if your car is loud, let's say you have a sports car, that sound will be coming from the back of the car where the exhaust escapes and terminates out the back of the car, okay? If you notice that all of a sudden your exhaust sound is coming from here, it's a bit louder, and it's coming from, you know, somewhere that's not the back of the car, then definitely you might have a leak in your exhaust. And what's happening is that sound is escaping from somewhere within the exhaust piping, not the back. So consider the fact that you might have a leak or a broken exhaust. Last but not least is number five, which is a visual inspection. Now, you probably can't see the hole in your exhaust because sometimes the holes are very small and they're hidden somewhere on the upper part of the exhaust, somewhere where you can't see. What I do recommend though is that you look for any steam escaping, right? Because you know on a cold day you see that steam escaping from the exhaust, right? If you see steam escaping from somewhere else along the exhaust pipeline, that's a sign that there is a leak somewhere along there. Now what I do recommend, and you might be able to, like, use a flashlight, turn on your flashlight, you might be able to see a hole somewhere. But like I said, don't get too close. Exhaust pipes are dangerous. They release really harmful exhaust gases. They are really, really hot. So don't get too close. But I mean, if you look with a flashlight from far away, you can probably spot the hole in it somewhere, maybe, right? What I recommend is that you look for multiple of these symptoms together. So you might hear the sound and then see worsened fuel economy or feel decreased power. You don't want to just hear a sound and all of a sudden you think you have a broken exhaust. Look for multiple of these together. What I did was I heard the sound and I heard it coming from the middle section of the car, and then I just sort of poked my head on the ground with a flashlight, and I saw the hole in the exhaust section, and that led me to know that I had a broken exhaust on this vehicle, which we got fixed by we have a friend, a mechanic that's a friend. He works out of his garage and he fixed it. Anyways, that's how to tell if your car has a broken exhaust. If you like this video, I'm sorry, like I said, be careful with whenever you're dealing with the exhaust pipe. if you're not 100% comfortable working with cars or exhaust pipes or anything, don't even bother. Just listen for the sound, okay? And then bring it to a mechanic to check out. If you're comfortable, then you can maybe take the additional steps that I spoke about of visually inspecting it from a far distance. But like I said, if you're not absolutely comfortable with your exhaust or cars, just listen for the sound and bring it to a mechanic. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.